In question number 31, we have in triangle ABC, D and E are 2 points on AB and AC respectively, such that DE parallel BC. If AD equal to X, AE equal to X plus 2, BD equal to X minus 2, CE equal to X minus 1, then find the value of X. So according to this question number 31, we will find the value of X, and this is the diagram that I have drawn from this question. Means ABC is a triangle and DE is parallel with BC. This is given in our question. Means DE parallel BC. Then I can apply here Thales theorem. So right here using Thales theorem, AD by BD. So right here AD by BD equal to AE. So right here AE by CE. So right here CE. So after writing this, just you place the value. AD value already given in our question, AD equal to X. So write in place of AD, write X by BD. BD value also given in our question, X minus 2. So right here X minus 2 equal to AE. AE value given X plus 2. So right here X plus 2 by CE. CE value given X minus 1. So right here X minus 1. Now to find the value of X, I'll just do cross multiply. This and this I'll do multiply, and this and this I'll do multiply. If I'll do this cross multiply, then X into X minus 1 equal to this and this now. X minus 2 into X plus 2. Now just you do multiply. X into X is X square minus X into 1 is X equal to, so in place of X minus 2 and X plus 2, I can apply formula A square minus B square, because the formula of A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B, and here A means X and B means 2. So I'll apply now A square means X square minus B square means 2. So right here 2 square. Now this X square and this X square get cancelled with each other. So right here minus X equal to minus, right as it is, 2 square is 4. Now this minus sign cancel each other. So value of X equal to 4. So answer for this question is 4. Now we'll do for question number 32. So in question number 32 given in the figure, the graph of the quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 6 is drawn. Analyze the figure and answer the following question. So according to this question, this is the graph of this question and polynomial of this graph given x square minus x minus 6. So according to this, in point number 1, we will find at what point the OX dash axis intersect the graph of the polynomial. Means this point OX dash, here one point we have, then what is the value, or at what point this OX dash intersect, this value we will find. And in point number 2 given, what is the sum of the x coordinate of the 2 points at which the x-axis intersect the graph. So this is one point and this is another point, this intersect this x-axis. So what is the sum of these 2 points, this also we will find. And in point number 3 given, name the geometrical figure represented by the graph. So what is the name of this graph? So this also we will write. And as we know, this type of graph is known as parabola. So to find the point, first I will solve the polynomial equation given. So right here given polynomial, given polynomial of this graph is x square minus x minus 6. So right here x square minus x minus 6. So I will find the solution of this equation. So to solve this polynomial, I will use splitting the middle term method. X square minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 6 means 3 2 is 6 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this number I can write in place of this minus x. Now in next step just you do multiply from this x to this 3 and 2. Others you write as it is. X square minus 3 into x is 3x, minus minus will change into plus, 2 into x is 2x, minus 6. Now in next step just you take common from this two number, and here common of this two term is x, so write here x, remaining here x minus 3, plus from this two number common is 2, so write here 2 x minus 3. From this two common factor write only one, x minus 3, and this you make separate group, means x plus 2. Now you compare with 0, either x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to plus 3, minus 3 if you take right side then become plus 3, and here x equal to plus 2 if you take right hand side then it will become minus 2. So this is the roots of this polynomial equation. Now as we know, this OX dash is negative axis and OX is positive axis, and here we have got one positive answer and one negative. So x equal to minus 2. So this is the point that intersect this OX dash on this point. So answer for this question is, therefore OX dash intersects at minus 2. Now we'll find the sum of these 2 points. So this is the 2 points. Now I'll just find sum. So sum of this point 3 plus minus 2. 3 plus minus is minus 2. Answer for this is 1. So sum of this 2 point is plus 1. Now I'll write the answer for this point number 3. Name the geometrical figure represented by the graph. So answer for this point number 3 is parabola. So write here parabola. Means this type of graph is parabola. Now we'll do for question number 33. So in question number 33 given, show that 3 comma minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 are three zeros of the polynomial 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Either you solve this question or this is upon you. Now to solve this question, this is a cubic polynomial given in our question, and 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3, these are the zeros of this cubic polynomial. I mean this is alpha, beta and gamma. So write here alpha equal to 3, beta equal to minus 1 and gamma equal to minus 1 by 3. Now we know the formula for sum of zeros and product of zeros. Means alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Now just you place the value. Alpha means 3, so write here 3, plus beta means minus 1, so write here minus 1, plus gamma means minus 1 by 3, so write here minus 1 by 3, equal to minus b by a, and we know the value of b, means this is a, b, c and d, means coefficient of x cube is 3 and coefficient of x square is minus 5 and coefficient of x is minus 11, and this is the constant term, and this is a, b, c and d. So in our formula we have minus, this is formula minus, and b means a, b means minus 5, so right here minus 5 by a means 3, so right here 3. Now just you solve this. 3 plus minus will change into minus 1, plus minus means minus 1 by 3, equal to minus minus will change into plus, so 5 by 3. Now 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to 5 by 3. Now in next step just you do multiply. 3 2 is 6 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So write here 5 by 3 equal to 5 by 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we'll find for alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha, and formula we know that is C by A. Now just you place the value. Alpha means we know 3, so right here 3 into beta means -1 plus beta means right -1 and gamma means -1 by 3 plus gamma means -1 by 3 into alpha means right here 3 equal to C by A means A, B, C. C means -11. So right here -11 and A means we know this is 3. So right here 3. Just you do multiply now. 3 ones are 3 but here we have minus sign so -3. Minus minus will change into plus so plus you write as it is 1 ones are 1 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 gets cancel each other plus minus minus and here we have 1 so write this 1 as it is equal to -11 by 3. -3 and -1 is -4 plus 1 by 3 equal to -11 by 3. 3 4s are 12 but here we have minus so -12 plus 1 is -11 by 3 equal to -11 by 3 means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we'll find the product of 0 and the formula for this we know. So product of 0 alpha into beta into gamma equal to -d by a and alpha value we know 3 so right here 3 into beta means -1 so right here -1 beta means -1 and gamma means -1 by 3 so right here -1 by 3 equal to -d and the value of d is a b c d. D means here -3 so right here minus so -3 by a means also 3 so right here 3. Now this 3 and this 3 get cancel each other so minus minus if you do multiply then plus so 1 ones are 1 so right here 1 equal to minus minus get cancel each other so 3 ones are 3 so left hand side equal to right hand side so right here hence verified.